Good day, New York, and welcome back. Phase 1, part 2. Now, as you can see up ahead, guys, that's the other street that I tell you about. Even though in Google it says Washington Walk, it's, you know, to walk only. But that used to be part of the Washington Street Park at one time, I think. I don't know. Now, before we leave, again, guys, it's gonna be small. Once I take up the stairs up there, it's gonna finish about another 10 more steps, and that's it. But let me show you where I am right now. And this street here is Harrison Street, guys. Harrison Street. And that's the west. And you can see here, it's a lot of, you know, stuff here. I don't know. And that back there is east, and that's the Roblox building. And like I said, this phase 2, part 1, phase 2 of Washington Street. This is Washington Walk. So now I'm gonna go here, guys. I'm gonna show you this is still part of the Washington Street, guys. And like I said, 2 blocks back there, guys, is the actual street, but it continues here, 2 more blocks down, across. But this is still part of Washington Street. Now it's called the Washington Walk on Google. Again, it's gonna be a small video, guys. Part 1, phase 2.
Basically, it took me a couple days, and I went and got it transferred over finally at a different Apple store. Actual Genius, just pressed one extra.
Guys, you see, guys, how some streets go into walks and then staircases. But this is still the same path of Washington Street, right here. Again, see? And then it's here, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish the video right here, these lampposts. And again, I will see you guys again soon. Washington Street, part 1, phase 2. Bye.